Hello students, so in this segment of video I'll be talking about the electrochemical series. So we know that standard hydrogen electrode, the EMF is E naught cathode, E naught anode, that is SRP SOP is assumed to be 0, and connecting that to the other electrodes we find the net SRP and SOP of those electrodes. So when you arrange the elements or the ions in the increasing or decreasing order of their electrode potential SRP values, we get a series known as electrochemical series. So here I have arranged them on the basis of increasing SRP. In NCERT they have arranged them in the basis of the decreasing SRP. So देखो यार, how to remember this? Simple. Firstly, what I will say, the first few members are SUL. What is SUL? S block and aluminium. So SUL are the most reactive metals. Then remember zinc, iron, tin, lead. Zinc, iron, tin, lead are moderately reactive metals. So here you have to just remember zinc, iron, tin, lead. And finally, here you have to remember, for this case you have to remember copper, happa. And copper, happa are the least reactive metals. So these three segments you can remember first: SUL, zinc, iron, tin, lead, and copper, happa. SUL are most reactive, then zinc, iron, tin, lead, then copper, happa. Zinc, iron, tin, lead, moderately reactive. This will be able to give you marks in the NEET examination. Still, for the worst case scenario, if you want to remember the whole electrochemical series, so there is a very small story, very old story is there that I can tell you. You will be able to get it. So, hypothetical story, it has no relevance with any person living or dead. It's my story. I will say whatever I want. So, देखो यार, what happened? Many days back, there was one worker, union leader was there in a factory, and the owner of the factory was one girl. Young, beautiful girl was there. So, what happened? The union leader and the owner of the company, the girl, she had some ego clash with each other. They have some ego clash with each other. So to teach one lesson to the union leader, the girl married the union leader. And if this story is matching with a movie called as Ladla of Anil Kapoor, then I'm really very sorry. It is my own story here, completely original. Then what happened? She to teach one lesson to the union leader of the company. Union leader is like a worker there, but he was a union leader. She tried to marry him. Okay, so the hero of the movie also, Anil Kapoor also, let us say, why not? So let's say Anil Kapoor also, or that hero also, he also decided, okay, let me marry the owner of this company and I will teach her the lesson. So they both were trying to teach each other the lesson. So what happened? After many days of the factory working, what happened? All the drinking water got contaminated there. So when all the drinking water got contaminated, they all decided together, till the time the factory provides some drinking water in the village, no one will be allowed to go outside the village, even the company owner also, so that they are forced to provide the drinking water. So what happened? That the owner, she had a big car was there. So in the big car, she woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock, she felt thirsty. She drove the car, that big car was there. Maybe Mercedes, black color Mercedes was there. She went to the next village. She bought some 2-3 bottles of, let's say, Aquafina or Bisleri. She started drinking the water and she came back. By the time she came, here the union leader used to cook very good aloo. Aloo means potato. He used to cook a very good curry of potato. No relevance, my story, my rules, anything I can say. So what happened when she came back? She found that the union leader was standing, or her husband right now was standing at the door of the house, and a small drop of water was there here below the lips of the heroine. So the hero understood कि अच्छा, she has drank water and came back. तो भैया what the hero says? Hero said, लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. Because the heroine was saying, okay, you go and cook the potato curry now. Don't look me like this. So भैया hero says, लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. लेके बड़ी कार means lithium के बड़ी कार ना मांगे. मांगे means ask. आलू means potato. So लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. So the heroine looks a little bit puzzled कि what are you trying to say? I don't understand. So he says, लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. Water जा फिर Pi2. So Pi2 is PbI2 here. So PbI2 also can be reduced oxidized. Maybe you have read about it. Metal insoluble salt electrode. Anyway, not important for us right now, but just for the electrochemical series sake, we can remember. So लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. You have a big car, I know that, but लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू. पानी जा फिर Pi2. You again went and drank water. Then bhaiya, the heroine became very angry. She rushed towards the bedroom and she closed the door, banged the door back. Now he's talking to the God कि सुनो प्रभु, listen God, आयरन दिया है, you have given me iron. तो सुनो प्रभु is SNPB, सुनो प्रभु, आयरन Fe, दिया है DH, ड्यूटेरियम हाइड्रोजन. तो सुनो प्रभु आयरन दिया है, then he becomes mad because such kind of wife he has. So what will happen भैया? So he starts saying AgCl कुक्कू AgF2, AgCl कुक्कू AgF2. So लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू पानी जा फिर पियाई, तो सुनो प्रभु लोहा दिया है AgCl कुक्कू AgF2, लेके बड़ी कार ना मांगे आलू सल, पानी जा फिर पियाई तू, वाटर जिंक आयरन टिन लेड, पानी जा फिर पियाई तू, सुनो प्रभु लोहा दिया है AgCl कुक्कू AgF2. Here 2 times the iron is coming. So 1, you can understand here fir and here iron, 2 times the iron is coming. Why? Because Fe2 plus 2 Fe reduction potential and Fe3 plus 2 Fe reduction potential is there. If you match with the NCERT, in NCERT they have given Fe3 plus 2 plus value also. So don't get confused there. So this is how you can remember the electrochemical series. Now one more thing. If the SRP is more, standard reduction potential is more, if reduction potential means what? If someone say na you have huge potential you people have. Potential means what? You have huge capacity. You have a potential of getting rank 1. That means you have a capacity of getting rank 1. So if someone say reduction potential is more, that means capacity of getting reduced is more. So if SRP is more, tendency to get reduced is more. So if the tendency to get reduced is more, he will get reduced, so he will prefer to act like an oxidizing agent. So if the SRP is more, oxidizing agent tendency more, naturally reducing agent tendency will be less. If more SRP is there, reactivity of metal is less. Reactivity of metal will be lesser, but reactivity of non-metal will be more. Reactivity of non-metal will be more. Tendency to be cathode is more. Tendency to be cathode will be more. Why? Because at cathode reduction happens. And if you have more tendency to get reduced, you will try to become cathode. And bhaiya, if you have less tendency to get reduced, if the SRP is less, you will try to become anode. So more SRP, tendency to be cathode is more and tendency to be anode is less. Now we are going to use this logic and do that question, and all the things I will be covering in a single question itself. And in this question, it will be very, very clear to us that how we have to remember the whole thing. So dekho yaar. E naught of copper 2 plus 2 copper, Zn 2 plus is given to us. Firstly, identify is it SRP or SOP. So standard is there for sure, potential is there for sure. Copper 2 plus 2 copper is reduction. So this must be SRP, reduction potential. Zn to 2 plus is oxidation. So this must be SOP. So bhaiya SRP is minus 0.76 volt. So firstly I checked SRP SOP is clearly given or not. So bhaiya SOP was given, it was a trap. And we came out of the trap, both are SRP now. So who is the better reducing agent? So understand, for reducing agent, compare reduced species or compare reduced species. Reduced species means species with the lower oxidation state. So batao yaar, out of copper 2 plus and copper, who has lower oxidation state? Sir, copper has 0, that is the lower oxidation state. Out of zinc and Zn 2 plus, sir, zinc has lower oxidation state. So when we are comparing reducing agent, always compare the people who are in the lower oxidation state. That means copper and zinc will be compared. Do not compare copper 2 plus zinc 2 plus because they are not the reduced species. They are not the species with lower oxidation state. Trick number 1. So for reducing agent, we compare the people with lower oxidation state. Now, because always there is a couple. So which one you have to compare, you have to be very sure. Now, who is the better reducing agent? Bhaiya, the person having more SRP is Chadda reducing agent. So SRP, who has more? Sir, copper electrode has more SRP, so he must be a Chadda reducing agent. So zinc is the better reducing agent. Next, oxidizing agent. For oxidizing agent, what we should compare? We should compare the oxidized species. Oxidized species means the person with the higher oxidation state. Batao bhaiya, copper 2 plus, which is higher? Sir, plus 2 is higher than 0. Sir, Zn 2 plus is higher than Zn. So we have to compare copper 2 plus and Zn 2 plus here. So trick will firstly eliminate your first confusion. कि whom to compare for which case. So for oxidizing agent, comparing copper 2 plus and Zn2 plus. Understand here now, for copper 2 plus Zn2 plus, if we are comparing oxidizing agent, SRP more, good oxidizing agent, that means copper 2 plus is the better oxidizing agent than Zn2 plus because the SRP of copper couple is more than zinc couple. Then who is the more reactive metal? Metal reactivity. Simple yaar, the metal whose SRP is more, his reactivity is less. That means reactivity of copper is less than zinc. Here no confusion. Here no one will be able to think copper 2 plus Zn2 plus until they are very, very stupid. Why? Bhaiya, metal reactivity you are comparing. Why you will take iron here? Iron is different, metal is different. Going ahead. Copper sulfate can be stored in zinc vessel or not? Let us talk about it. But firstly, let's do anode cathode. Who will be anode preferred? Who will be cathode preferred? So देखो यार, who is preferred at anode? The person with lower SRP becomes anode. The person with higher SRP becomes cathode. So if you have to make cathode anode here, who has high SRP? Copper. So copper will prefer to be cathode and zinc will prefer to be anode. ठीक है भाई साहब? Now the question arises, can we store copper sulfate in zinc container? बढ़िया यार. Let us see. You are reading this question from class 9, 10th onwards. So if imagine they react. So if they react, then Zn plus CuSO4 will form ZnSO4 plus Cu. This is the expected reaction. If Zn and CuSO4 will react, then Zn will get sulfate, Cu will come out as it is. Now you have to check, will this reaction be feasible or not? So understand, zinc kicked away copper. That means zinc displaced copper from its salt, and we understand one thing very clearly, that more reactive metal displaces less reactive from its salt. So zinc is displacing copper here. Is zinc more reactive or less reactive than copper? Electrochemical series we can use, or SRP value we can use. So SRP value wise reactivity of zinc is more than copper. Yes sir, zinc can displace copper. So bhaiya, we should not be able to store copper sulfate in zinc container. So in very simple, the trick is that container must be less reactive metal. If you want to store some salt, the container should be having the less reactive metal. That means copper sulfate can be stored in Ag container, silver container. Sir, how you can say silver container? Because I told you least reactive metals are copper happa. Sir, what is happa? Happa is Hg, Ag, Pt, Pd and Au. So copper is more reactive than Hg, more reactive than Ag. In this way we can understand copper is more reactive than Ag. So Ag is less reactive and the container should be made up of less reactive metal. So this was about the electrochemical series, a very quick revision we have done. But again, revision can be quick, but each and every concept we have covered. So you are prepared for your NEET examination. All the very best and get a very good rank in this exam. Thank you.